In today's WordPress tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a phone number to your website that you can click on and will ring a phone number. To do this, what you're going to have to do is to log into your backend by doing your domain name /wp admin. Once you've done this, scroll down to pages or posts or wherever you want to put the phone number. This is very similar to a link. What we're going to do is I want to put my phone number on the home page. If you're using Gutenberg, then you simply edit the page by hitting edit. If you're using Elementor like me, then you hit edit with Elementor. Once the page is loaded, you scroll down to where you want to add your phone number link. For me, it's near the bottom of the page, right here. What you do is you click on where you want to add it, and then you type in the phone or the phone number. So I'm going to type in PH and then put in that and then paste in my phone number. But for you guys, if you don't have the link set up yet, it'll look just like that and you won't be able to click on it on your website. To make it clickable, what you're going to do is, because I've already got it here, is you're going to select your phone number, highlight it wherever you want the link to ring from, and then click on the insert/edit link. It'll look like a chain no matter what you're editing on. And then you're going to type in TEL, and then you're going to put a space in between here, and then put in the phone number, and in between each space, you're going to put a hyphen. Once you're done, simply press this down arrow key, and then hit the update. If you're using Gutenberg, update will be up in this corner here on the top right. Once it's updated, you're going to go back to your website and refresh the page. And then you can see here that your phone number's here and it's in a link color. And if you click on it, it'll go straight to call.